I'm Sara Suleiman and I'm the project lead for Team 16.
Hello, I'm Cody Chan and I'm the design lead for Team 16.
Hi, my name is Ash or Ashna Patel, and I'm the test engineering lead of Team 16.
Hello, my name is Georgios Askalakis and I'm the product development lead.
My name is Jordan Hassoun and I'm the software engineering lead for Team 16.
And today I'm going to be going over our prototype, which uses two IR sensors as a method of detecting and following the black line. These are the inputs of our robot and are responsible for directing the outputs and how to move. We have two wheels powered by DC motors and one stabilizing wheel underneath, likely to be replaced by two additional wheels similar to this. It's rear wheel drive, and in order to turn, it employs a detection test that detects which side black tape is present on. As you can see, I've moved it to its track where you will see it move later. For now, I'm going to be going over how the robot turns. As stated previously, the two IR sensors determine how the robot will move. And if both IR sensors detect the black tape, then it will move forward. If one IR sensor detects black tape, say for instance this one, and this one does not, that means that the robot is not detecting black tape on its left side, which means that it will tell the right wheel to move so that it can turn left, similar to that. And the right wheel alone will only move. If the opposite were the case, then obviously the left wheel would be the only one to turn.
Hello, my name is Jordan Hassoun. I'm the software engineering lead for Team 16, and today I'm going to be going over the program code for our robot Crown Cat. The first part of the code has to do with the two IR sensors present on the robot, and basically it's just declaring two integer variables that will be used later on to determine where the robot will move. More on that later. The second part of the intro has to do with defining pins 4, 5, 9, and 10 as pins that are associated with the motor. And in the setup function, you have pins 12 and 13, the ones associated with the IR sensors up here, declared as input pins, meaning that the information that will determine how this program will play out comes from these two pins. All right. And the pins of in 1 through 4 are declared as output pins. The direction of movement function has a parameter that is a string, and that string determines which if statement here will be executed. All right. And if the direction of movement function is called with, say, forward, pins 4 and 9 will be turned on. That's what high means, on. And pins 5 and 10 will be turned off, low. Now, this means that the motors are going to be turning the same way and they're going to be moving forward. As you can see, in the opposite of forward, backward, 4 and 9 are turned off and 5 and 10 are turned on. Now, if the robot needs to turn, it gets a little trickier, but the idea is one wheel is turning backward and the other is turning forward. Um, as you can see here, the left function, pin 4 is turned on, pin 5 is turned off, as it would be going forward normally. But 9 and 10 are turned or are activated in a similar way that backward is activated. To rephrase that, basically what I'm trying to say is imagine one wheel moving forward and the other backward. All right. You can see it in the comments here. Now, this is the loop part of my program, and this is what's going to be running continuously throughout the robot being turned on. As you can see, the integer variables have made their way back, and essentially what's going on is sensors 1 and 2 are getting a read and detecting whether or not they have black lines underneath them. All right. And once those values are determined, a series of if statements is executed to determine how the robot will move. All right. If both or if both are not detecting black lines, then the robot is told at rest, meaning all motors are turned off. If the robot detects black lines on both sides, which is ideal, then the robot will. I'm sorry, that should be. Um, this should be low. I'm sorry, that was a mistake I just noticed. But if the robot detects black lines on both sides, then it will be told to move forward. I just want to thank you for watching this video, and if you have any comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section. If you have any questions, email me at jordanhassoon@outlook.com. It's found in the description of the video, or leave a comment on the video. I should be able to respond. Thank you so much and have a good day. Hopefully you have no problems and there is no need for you to be watching this anyway.